Hey guys, this is Jerry with yet another video. In this video, I'll show you how to set up Nightbot for your YouTube and Twitch accounts. So here I'm going to show you how to set things up for your YouTube, but the procedure is almost the same. You just need to sign in with the particular account that you want to set up the Nightbot for. So that's how it actually works. So I'll show you how to set up Nightbot for your YouTube channel, okay, here. So you can do the same for Twitch account as well. First, go to nightbot.tv and log in. It actually lets you automate some of the tasks that you otherwise need to manually do while you live stream. So with automating some tasks, you can actually focus on your live stream instead of focusing on these commands, asking your viewers to subscribe, like and stuff. You can actually use Nightbot instead of you manually doing it while streaming. So that's how it actually works. So to do that, just go to nightbot.tv. I have put the link in the description. Then sign in with the account that you want to set the Nightbots for. Then I'm going to use YouTube. So log in with the YouTube, choose the account that you want to log in with, then select the account that you want to set up the Nightbot for, like your brand account. So here it's TechPress. Then it needs some permissions, so it should be able to moderate and stuff, and control and manage and stuff, and see your account and stuff. So that's how it actually works. Then click allow. It's actually a reliable service. Lots of users and YouTube channels actually use this service, so you can actually trust this bot. So click allow. Then this is the dashboard you end up once you sign in, and here it actually shows chat stats and recent events, recent timeouts. Almost everything is set up by default, like timeout seconds and etc. All you needed to do is just connect your account. Then if you want to customize some of the commands and timers, you can do that as well. So to connect, just click join channel, and here you see this link. Copy this link and go to your YouTube dashboard and click settings and go to community, and you need to add this link within this moderator section of your YouTube settings. Then paste it there, then Nightbot will pop up, then select it. So you have added Nightbot as your mod, okay, so you can see it here. Then close it. It's auto saved, I think. So close it. So it's ready. Then close it. That's it. Now Nightbot is actually a moderator on your YouTube account. So you can actually customize some of these commands if you want to trigger. So these are the default commands, and you can see that these are the default commands. You can use these default commands to trigger some events within the YouTube live chat. There is this option as well, commands. So everyone can trigger this. You can set it to user levels, only moderators, regular, supporter, and everyone. That's how it actually works. So you can also set a cooldown period, 10 seconds once, or 10 minutes each and every 10 seconds. So once someone uses commands, only after 10 seconds it can be used again. So that's how it actually works. You can change the cooldown period as well. So these are the commands by default enabled. These commands are enabled, and there is this marker, create a streamer marker in your Twitch. If you connect it to with a Twitch account, you can actually use this. It's pretty useful. If you want to go back to that particular marker after stream or during the stream, you can use that. That's pretty useful. And there is this tags as well. You can actually enable this if you want to modify the tags, and there is this option. Then user level. That's how actually it works. So you can trigger this command and during live stream. That's how it actually works. Shows the live, and there is this title. There are lots of commands that you can actually use during your live stream, and it can only be used during the live stream. The Nightbot actually doesn't join any streams that you have set up for the future. It only join the live stream that's actually live right now. And there is this custom commands as well. You can add some custom commands, so I have added it here. Okay, here you can see that. So each and every time someone actually type this command, it'll actually trigger this. Okay, so that's how it actually works. And you can set a cooldown period 60 seconds or even 1 minute. You can set the user level as well, only moderator, etc. Then if you want to trigger another command along with this command, you can add this command here and click submit. You can actually add as many commands as you want, and you can actually trigger them whenever you want. So it's actually, most of the settings are pretty self-explanatory. You can actually adjust the settings at any time. So another cool feature that you wanted to try is this timers. With the timers, you can actually set custom messages to send to your live stream chat, so that your viewers can see, like, you know, subscribe, like, share, etc. Or if you want to share some links, you can do that as well. So that's how it actually works. You can add these custom messages by clicking this add button and give it a name, like, you know, whatever you want, like subscribe or your channel name, and the message you wanted to share with your viewers. So there is an interval like 5 minutes. It starts from 5 minutes, then you can go up like 15, half an hour. If you are pretty new to the live streaming, then in that case you may set it to like 10 minutes, because you may not have that many viewers. So if you have lots of viewers, so 5 minutes is pretty fine. And you can also set something like, you know, every 2 lines or every 3 lines, like, or maybe make it like, you know, every 5 lines. So that's how it actually works. You can actually adjust the lines required to deliver this message to your live stream chat. And you can also add a different command that you have created on the custom command section that I have already shown. So if you wanted to trigger that particular command along with this timer, you can add that command here, like, you know, like subscribe, like this. So you can add that particular command here, you know, if you have created something, a different command in the custom command section. So that's how it actually works. Then once you set it, click submit, you're good to go now. Then one thing that I wanted to warn you about is this spam protection. So in most cases you don't want to use this, because YouTube has this feature built in, some of these features, like it actually has some offensive words for review and links for review. So you don't want to enable this in the Nightbot section. You don't want to let Nightbot to handle those words and stuff. So what you needed to do is just come here, spam protection section, and then disable all these features. But by default, these features are enabled. So just disable it if you don't want to use it. Or if you want to customize it, you can actually select the option that you want to customize, like this one, and blacklist some of the words that you want to help for review or something, or remove. And if someone leaves such words, if you wanted to time out the people, you can actually set a timer length, and you can also exempt the user level, like, you know, regular, moderator, supporter, everyone like that. So that's how it actually works. That's how you actually set up Nightbots for your YouTube and Twitch live stream. I hope this helps. So guys, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't yet, and thanks for watching.